Hello fellow fish nerds and happy 7th day of the February fish vlog. And on today's video I will finally reveal the mystery fish that you've been waiting for all week. Starting with part 1, which I'll put a link to that right here, which explains how I got these fish for free on Aquabid. Be sure to check that video out so you understand what's going on if you haven't already seen it. It was kind of a fun process, and it was fun saving up. And the awesome part was it didn't cost me anything out of pocket, so the wife was fine with that. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I see that most of my viewers are non-subscribers, so just click that little button down below. I think there's actually a thing right here that you can click to subscribe. Just do that. I won't be, it's free to subscribe. It's great. And then if you want to do one better, click the notification bell. That's right down below this video. There's also, I'll put one right, see, either here, it'll look good, or over here. I don't know, if I look, just ding the bell like this. Okay? Just do that. But biggest favor, if you do nothing else, biggest thing I would like is for you to share my video from yesterday. I'll post a link to that right here as I hit the camera. Please share that video. I had so much fun making that video. I am so proud of it. It's probably my top 3 most fun videos I've ever made, most I've ever enjoyed videos, definitely in the top 3. Please share that video. I thought about it. It was what I thought about when I was waking up on Sunday morning. Please share that video. Don't worry about sharing this one. This one is only for true fish nerds that are really excited to find out what the mystery fish is. And you're probably sitting there on the edge of your seat like, come on, dude, reveal the fish. Come on. What's your problem? Reveal the mystery fish and stop rambling on and get your dog to sit still. Come on. But for real, just share yesterday's video, not today's. Don't worry about today's. Don't worry about Sunday's video about how I got the fish for free. Don't worry about that. Yesterday's video. I'm proud of that. Okay? I also have in the works some other really cool videos I'm excited about making that are going to be more than just vlogging. Okay? So please stay tuned for that. You can only stay tuned and be notified if you click the bell and subscribe, so please do that. Really exciting stuff. I'm geeking out over it, okay? Mr. Science geeking out over it. Okay, so then, the other exciting thing is coming is that this is the last, possibly the last day of having this as my background for these intros, for these vlog intros. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say about that. Things will be changing. That's why I'm a little bit sweaty right now. I didn't, put on the powdery makeup to, get rid of the glare. I don't put on powdery makeup ever, okay? Let's just clarify that right now. But I was sweaty. I was in here moving things around, taking some trash out, organizing the desk behind me. It was a mess. Taking things out to the shed that had been in here for 4 years. How sad is that? I've been meaning to take them out. I'm like, I'll take it out eventually. 4 years later, I finally take it out. So took that stuff out, got this room straightened up a little bit better. I still have plans for it. Still need to get some more things out. There's an elliptical in here that we don't use at all that I've been meaning to sell. I need to sell that and a bunch of other stuff. Anyways, I digress. But the point is, I've been moving things around. I'm changing this background behind me here pretty soon. Hopefully really soon. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow my time, today your time as you're watching this, I might be changing the background behind me. Maybe. And also a really big project might be in the works. That's kind of why I was moving a lot of stuff around. So be sure to stay tuned for that. So click that bell down below, subscribe so you can see what that big project is. It's going to be pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited about it if I can make it happen. It's going to be easy kind of to make it happen. I just got to get off my butt and do it. So just do those things for me. So I think that's about it. Be sure to tune in tomorrow's video because hopefully the background will look different. If not, maybe the day after. Who knows? But anyways, without further ado, without further rambling, after this intro, finally reveal the mystery fish that I got for free on Aquabid. Stay tuned. It's Mr. Science Geek. I hope my tanks don't leak. If it's information that you seek, be sure to tune in each week. And my videos take a peek. My singing and my jokes really read. Alright, so here they are. Can you tell what they are yet? The light might help a little bit. What do you think they are? Comment below if, first off, what you think they are, and if you got it right. They are purple mosaic guppies. Is anybody really surprised that it's guppies? I know they aren't fully perfect like what you would think of being purple, but that's also exciting. So my plans for these, if you look closely at the male, which is chasing the female over there, he does have some purple in him. The females have a little bit of purplish in them. He also has some blue and some greens. Now, from what I've read in the Guppy Genetics by Philip Shattuck, purple guppies' color cells are a combination of red and blue, just like an art class. The green Moscow guppy is a combination of blue and yellow Moscow. So I think that's really cool that it's just basic art. So my plan is my goal, what I would love to do, my pipe dream, my tank dream, is to selectively breed this colony right here, to split it up kind of as much as possible into 3 separate strains, because obviously that male is carrying the genes for all 3 possible colors, at least hopefully in theory. And to split this male into a blue Moscow, purple Moscow, like really real purple, and a green Moscow. I think they're really exciting. Lots of Gregor Mendel experiments going on, lots of selective breeding, artificial selection, all that stuff. So, did they arrive safely? Yes. All the fish in the bags, they were in breather bags, were still alive when I got them and opened up. They weren't very warm, but they weren't freezing cold yet, which is good. They were. I would say the water was probably close to 70 or so, maybe upper 60s. They all survived. It was basically one pair and then some pretty good sized fry that you'll see swimming around. And really exciting is that since I got them, which I actually got them, uh, I opened them up, I think it was last Monday, not this past Monday, but last Monday. And since then, the females dropped more fry. I think I've counted around 6 to 8 fry, which, hey, that's exciting. That's more to possibly split it up. The other exciting thing about these is that I originally got a pair of purple Delta guppies at my fall auction with my local fish club. And I was bidding against my friend's wife, and apparently she wanted them, and I found out that she wanted them afterwards. So I told her, hey, listen, yeah, I won them for right now, but here's what I'll do. I'll breed them. I'll, get a bunch of babies out of them, and then I'll give you some. Then about a month or two later, well, about a month later, the male died, and then 2 months later, the female died. I have no idea what it was. I really don't know what it was, what caused them to die. So getting these was kind of like me following through on my word and being able to follow through on that. I contacted them. I let them know, hey, uh, the original purple deltas I got, they died, but I got some purple Moscow, so that I will follow through because I stick to my word. It might take a while to do it, um, but I don't forget. I will follow through. So just I'm excited to be able to do that. So let me know what you think in the comments down below about how you think they look, whatever, and possibilities of splitting up the three strains if my theory is as crazy as I think it possibly could be. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was worth the wait. I am really excited about breeding these out. They're already breeding. It's honestly the first guppies that I've had that have had babies literally all school year, which is kind of sad. I mean, who can't breed guppies? But in my defense, the guppies in my classroom were in unheated tanks. So I'm pretty sure that was the thing because they were surviving, but they weren't thriving. So now that I've had the heaters going for about a month, hopefully they'll start breeding again and thriving again. So hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Not sure what it'll be about, but hopefully it might have a new background. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned and stay fishy, people.